Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. What's poppin', y'all? What's going on, man? Today, man, sadly, we don't have my size, so I can get y'all on feet. But I can get y'all in here review of these Air Jordan 7 Centris. Not gonna sit here and lie to y'all, man. These joints super clean. I slept on them, not gonna sit here and lie. They definitely sit in the stores. So, don't be surprised you see it on feet coming real soon, because these joints, when I see these in person, my whole mindset changed. And these came out in 06. So I was 7 years old. I'm a young boy, of course, man, but these hard. So how am I messing around? I had to go turn around the corner, you know what I'm saying? Go get them things tomorrow. We gonna see, man. So like and subscribe if you're new. Like I said, man, we're doing an in-hand review of these Air Jordan 7 Centris. Comment down below, man. Let me know you want on Sneakers app. You know what I'm saying? You hit on Foot Locker, hit on Champs, anything like that. I hit a couple pairs, you know what I'm saying? Looking out for people that want the shoe. But I ain't really get too many people that said they want them. For instance, me, I don't know if I want them or not. Like I said, seeing these things in hand, super clean colorway, man. But let's go into the video, man. Ain't gonna lie, I kind of like 7s. It just, this one I was like, let me see these in hand. And got these things in hand. Like, ooh, the material, ooh, the suede material on these things, bro, is 10 out of 10 for sure. And I ain't gonna lie, people sleeping on this shoe until like you see close up, you know what I'm saying, videos like this or shorts, TikToks, you know, sell this shoe. So I'm gonna give y'all my best depth of this shoe, because like I said, when I seen this shoe, I'm like, oh, gotta get my hands on. I gotta get my size. I'm gonna find it somewhere tomorrow. But they're a little too much talking, man. Let's go get that shoe out, man. There they go. So normally like Air like retro 11s be coming in this box now. So basically it's an old school box right here. It's an OG box right here, they said. So you know how we usually get like certain different type of boxes, but this is an OG box. So retro 11s will come in here, retro 10s, 7s, you know, so then the main three that normally will come in this box right here. So got the red Jumpman logo on, got the Jordan right here. Now my personal size, like I said, size 8. Also got the Nike Air right here. And it says Air Jordan 7 Retro Black Centris Varsity Red, size 8. And the retail price on these was $200. Right now on StockX and GOAT, going for the low ball. I ain't gonna lie, you can easily go on Sneakers app, because I went on Sneakers app earlier today around like 5 o'clock. Did my size, and I could literally go ahead and buy my size on there. And people saying they're sitting on walls right now. So I'm not shocked that they are, because this is a classic, and then a lot of people are not gonna really dig certain classics for real. And 7's not a big old thing, I should say, retro wise. A lot of people don't really rock 7s like that, but me, certain 7s I would get. But these right here, I'm telling y'all, when y'all see these in hand, y'all gonna be like, oh damn. But let's go get these bad boys out, man. Bang! Here they go, man. The Air Jordan 7s Centris, man. Like I said, y'all just see how clean these joints is, man. Clean, bro. Super clean. Like just the stitching, the suede. Like y'all see me run back and forth on this suede. Y'all see that? Close up, that suede nubuck. Ooh, that's that smooth, buttery smooth suede right there, boy. Yes, sir. Super clean colorway right here. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta give my size on these. These clean. 10 out of 10. This is coming from me. Jordan 1, 10 out of 10 for sure. These clean, bro. Y'all cannot sit here and tell me these not a clean shoe. Like the stitching, the black with the hints of the varsity red on here. Yeah, these hard. So I might have to mess around and go spin the black and go and get my size, because these clean for sure. But let me go get the shoe out, man. But here they go, man. The Air Jordan 7 Centris joints, man. Super clean colorway, man. I promise. These clean. Even on camera, I told y'all see that suede nubuck going back and forth, just smooth right there. Here go close up video of the suede material. Like y'all just see it closer up right there. Like just look how smooth the suede is on the whole upper of the shoe. The whole upper of the shoe is suede, by the way. It's no leather on the shoe. One thing is on the tongue would be it's like a corduroy material, on the inside of the shoe is like some type of sock liner in here. Some type of material in the sock liner, but the majority of the shoe is made of suede on the whole upper. But let's go talk about the shoe, man. And also here you got your varsity red Jumpman, got your hints of Centris, and also varsity red on the outsole. In your midsole here you got your varsity red, and you also got your Centris Mountains. On the toe box here you got your black suede. The whole upper shoe, like I said, is made of suede here. On the side panel here, of course, you got your Centris Jumpman logo here. It's also made of suede as well, not the Jumpman logo, but the stitching is not suede, but around this Jumpman logo it is suede. The varsity red pull tab here. You got your red Jumpman logo inside of the shoe with your varsity red sock liner inside of the shoe as well. 10 out of 10, like I said, the material quality, definitely 10 out of 10. The colorway, it's 10 out of 10 out of the shoe. You know, so I'm hyping. It's not sponsored, by the way. That's not a sponsor. Just when you get these things in hand, bro, it's just your whole mindset change. I don't know. That's just how I feel about shoes or anything in general. Like, yeah, pictures might be cool, might be that, but when you get a shoe in hand and just see how the quality and material and just everything just pops on this shoe, you're like, oh yeah, I should have grabbed them. So luckily, I can still grab them for retail as well too. So not too bad, not too crazy. But I always tell people go half size up in retro 7s. I'll never tell people go shoot to size in retro 7s. So if you're watching this, make sure you go half size up in all your retro 7s for sure. Like I said, the quality material, man. Retail price on these joints, like I said, was $200. Grade school was $150. And I think like preschool was $90, and then the Tyler would be $60. So not too bad, not too bad. I think Tyler, actually they went up $10 on the Tyler. I think it's $70 now. A lot of stuff going up in prices, but like I said, overall 10 out of 10 for sure. Comment down below, man. Let me know if you picked up a pair. You want a sneakers app, one from Champs. By the way, I did win a couple pairs from Foot Locker. I didn't win none from Champs at all. I had most of my pairs from Foot Locker. I didn't win too many pairs. I didn't win my size at all either. I tried. I didn't win. I won all smaller sizes and the man sizes. And then grade school size, I won a size 7, 6.5, and then the men's I won at 8. That's all I won. I had another 8 somewhere else, but I ain't feel like making that far drive. But I'm gonna get my size for sure. Like I said, I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Make sure post notification bell is on. Like and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. My TikTok, my Instagram. I love good stuff, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. Y'all have a blessed one. I'll catch you on another video, man. Jordan 1 is out. Peace.